Hi, fellow Jaguar guys, all the fellow Jaguar lovers. Yeah, today I'm here to show you how you can substitute or replace your accelerator cable which has been damaged or which has been destroyed or which has been spoiled in any way. Yeah, that you are not able to have access to the original cable from the reproduction market or from the stores. If you are not closer to a store like myself, that I have to order it from UK or order it from US or order it from Australia or somewhere, how you can replace your accelerator cable without any difficulties or without any long period waiting. Now, my accelerator cable has damaged or got damaged, and I was worried. So, as I've been learning from you guys, what I did was going to the local market, find accelerator cable that has a longer length and that can fit into the Jaguar Series 3 or any car that has accelerator cable that has a wire in it. So I went to the local market and got it sorted. So when I went to the local market, I got this cable or this cable, but the wire inside was longer than the one in the Series 3 or the one in the Jaguar. So what I did was I measured the wire to the size of the Jaguar. I'm yet to try it tomorrow on the car. I measured to the size of the Jaguar and then cut it, and what so that it will be the same size, the same length that will fit into the aspiration system. So what I did, look at it this way. You see that this one is the same size as the Jaguar original, but it will fit into the aspirator cable holder down there in the engine. This one will fit, and then the nut adjusters. You see the nut adjusters. Yeah, this one, if you screw, it will come and then you adjust it how you want it or how you like it. And then this one too will fit into the driver leg room, the paddle. Yeah, the paddle hook. This one will fit, and this one is a locker that will lock it up there so that it will be stable and it will not be moving up and down. And this one will lock here, will go into the locket or the locker room, the locker place in the engine side. This place will fit. Yeah, this one will go there and fit. So this is it. What I did, I measured here was longer, so I measured and cut it here so that this hook that holds the throttle side, yeah, this hook, yeah, you see that there has been a brass weld. Yeah, there's a brass weld here. So what I did was, after cutting it to the length of the Jaguar size, I took it to a gas welder, and then the gas welder, I told the gas welder how I want it. So we used a brass to weld it, to weld the cable or the wire into the hook. When your own or your old one, you see that the hook has a hole. Yeah, when you look at this place, you see the hole there, one hole there. When you come to this side, you see another hole there. Yeah, you see another hole. Yeah, so what we did, we cleared that hole and then we put the wire inside the hole, and the gas welder, I hold it, then the gas welder welded it. Yeah, and it was welded together to fit. But after the welding, you see that some of the brass will take over all these places. It will be, or it will overlaps and cover most of the hook. So after that, don't get worried, or when you are doing it, it comes to that way, don't get worried. What I did was, afterwards, I found, or I went to a local shop somewhere, and I got anvil and file. So that work alone took me more than 1 hour. I filed it. I filed it. I hold it in the envelope, and then I filed it to have the original size. So if you see, you can see there's a the work there's a work that has been done there. That's the filing. I did a lot of filing, so that it will be at the size, or it can fit into the area where it's supposed to fit. Yeah, when you look at this cable, you see that it's a bit bigger than the original cable for the Jaguar. Yeah, but it doesn't cause any harm. It will work perfectly. Yeah, it will work perfectly because the hook is bigger. When you look at the original Jaguar, there's a locker here. There's a locker here that after you put this one, you lock it so that this one will not play inside there. But because this hook is bigger, this wire is bigger, I couldn't fit in that locker. But hey, no problem. It will not play in there. It will fit perfectly. So that is how you can get your accelerator cable fixed or replaced, or um, get restored. Okay, yeah. So don't panic anytime you have accelerator cable problem. In my case, the wire in this one was stuck. In the original was stuck because you see the Jaguar original cable is a metal that has a rubber lining inside, or it's a wire with a rubber lining inside. That wire touched the battery terminal, and when it touched the battery terminal, it caught fire, or it was energized. So the lining inside the wire, or the lining inside the coat, got bent. So the wire was not free to move. The wire was not free to move, as this one is free to move. The wire was not free to move. So what I did was have to find a way of replacing it so that I can use the car, or I can have the car moved as soon as possible. So that is how I did the improvisation. So this is, look at it again. There's a lot of, yeah, when you are filing, make sure or take care. If you don't take care, the file will cut the wires. You see this place, I tried to bend it I did a lot of bend, but they were a bit touchy. The file touched some of the wires, but it didn't cut. Yeah, so you have to be very careful on that, or you have to be very careful with that, so that you have a good work, or you have a good shape of what you want to do. Yeah, this one, it will fit perfectly, and this one makes it a good work or a good job. It is solid, and there is no fear of it um damage again, or of it cut again, or whatever. It has been done well and perfect. When you look at the size, it is the size of it, size of the Jaguar original. So tomorrow I will fit it in the car, and I will make another video to show you guys. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so that any video I post, you have it. Or you can follow me on the YouTube subscription, so that, and then you click the notification button so that any video I post, well, it's not only Jaguar videos I do, or I'm gonna do, or it's not only car repair videos I do. Well, to let you know, I'm a do-it-yourself guy. I'm not a Jaguar mechanic or whatever, but I've learned it a lot from the gurus here who have more ideas on how to fix cars. Yeah, I learned most of this work from you, and most at times too, when I go take my car to the shop, I just work it together with the mechanic, so that whatever they do on the car, I know. So anytime I have a problem on the car, I do fix them myself. Yeah. So until tomorrow, I'll end you here. Hey, but don't forget, on the same car, or no, on another Jaguar, I have the kick down cable also spoiled, or the kick down cable has cut. So that one, I'll make a video on how to fix that one too. So subscribe to this channel, and anytime I do a video on any Jaguar problem fixing, you can have access to that, so that in case you have the similar problem or you have the same problem, you'll be able to fix it. Thank you very much for watching.